Oh, I'm playing Fabiano. Hey, speaking of which, I just told you guys, before we go emote only, I'm trying to interview this man, and oh, now I gotta cook this man. I'm cooking this man. Emote only this. I'm cooking Fabi. Let's go. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. That's wild. Bro just played D4 A5. He better not play the crab. Oh, now he's playing normal. Nuts. This dude really just played A5 A4. No respect at all. It's okay. Respect is earned. Let's see. That's crazy, dude. I just spent like... I was sitting next to Fabiano in Toronto. Fabiano, Toronto, that rhymes a little bit. I guess I gotta go here, right? I was sitting next to Fabi, and we were like chatting, and it was like respectful, and it was nice, and it was good. It was friendly. And then this man shows up and plays this garbage against me. That is crazy. I can't even get Fabiano to play a real chess opening against me. That's how little respect there is. Hilarious. All right, I'm going knight b5. I'm going to target his rook because he put it there. And I'll play c4. And then I'll go here. But you know what? You know what? Here's what I'm going to say. Magnus puts all of these folks in their place. How about that? I'm like hiding behind my brother in the playground. I'm like, oh, you think you can bully me? Yeah, but what about Magnus? You can't bully Magnus. Haha. He's gonna put his knight on c5. That was probably a slightly poorly thought out decision. Let's go here. I don't completely hate this position. I guess Fabi's trying to play f5. Is he just winning after f5? Because he has f4 too, which I completely forgot about, which is... Okay, I guess not. Pawn takes? Fight for the file. Kind of like f5, although it seems a little deranged to play like that, but it's Fabi after all. I guess, but then he plays bishop f5 if I don't play it. Bishop f2. I'm gonna end up convincing myself to play it, aren't I? Yep. I just want Fabi to report me. That's just all I really want. Now, okay, I guess I take on f5. To play active or passive? His next move is queen d7. So let's go bishop f2, maybe rook g3. This is also hanging in some lines, but... I think probably he will trade queens. I imagine he will trade queens. Because I think if he doesn't trade queens... maybe I have some attacking chances. So. God, I'm going to be turned into content on the C-Squared podcast. My worst nightmare. At least I made Fabiano think for 40 seconds. I won. I made Fabi think for 40 seconds. So. Yeah, and I guess he can't take. No, he goes there. He still can't take. To have bishop c5. So. Wish I could just chuck. No. Is just losing. Not good. Not good. Maybe Fabi will hang his rook. Damn. D4A5 OP. Stuff.